Are your headphones not working in Ableton Live? In this video, I want to share a couple common reasons why that may be, but most importantly, share a couple very important troubleshooting tips to help you quickly get to a solution. 99.9% of the time, it's the simple things. So let's start at the top. Number one, check your connection. Make sure that your headphones are plugged into your headphone extension tightly. If they're already connected, unplug and replug back in. If they're connected to your interface, just double check your connection there. Number two, if you're using an audio interface or there's something between your headphones and your computer, then just double check the volume on that. Most interfaces have some sort of volume for headphones on the front of them. So make sure that that volume is turned up to see if that solves it. Now, number three, if that doesn't solve it, then let's go into Ableton Live. And there's a couple troubleshooting steps we can take there. So number three, go into Live, go to Preferences, Command, comma. If you're on a PC, it's going to be Control, comma. And we want to go to the Audio tab. Now scroll down to the bottom here under the Test section, and we want to enable our test tone. So you can turn the volume up on this if you want to, but you want to turn this on to see if you are hearing anything in Ableton Live. Now, if you can't hear anything in Ableton Live, then let's keep working through our process to see if we can solve this. Number four, if when you turn the test tone on, you don't hear anything, let's go to audio output device here, and let's double check that we have the correct output device selected. If you do, and that's still not working, then let's go to step number five. Step number five is let's go and change our audio output device. Okay, so I'm gonna change it to this one. I'm gonna turn my test tone back on. Okay, so it's working on that output, but it doesn't work on my other output in my hypothetical scenario. So in that case, I need to change and know that it's something with my setup here. So we'll keep walking through a couple steps here. Number six, if you still haven't found a solution, then you need to subscribe to the From Studio to Stage YouTube channel. Experts agree it'll make you smarter and you'll be able to solve issues faster next time. At least that's what the experts tell me. Number seven, if that still doesn't work, then go back to your setup and you need to try to swap to a new cable. Potentially try a new headphone adapter, but change one thing at a time. Don't change multiple things. Change one thing at a time and see if that solves it. Number eight, check the routing software for your interface. Most popular audio interfaces have some sort of routing software that allow you to set up headphone mixes on your software, to use your headphone output of your interface in different ways. Double check that routing software to see if something is routed in properly, but dive into that and that very well may be the solution. Now, going back to Ableton Live, if you go through and you set up and test your test tone and you actually do hear it, but you can't hear things in Ableton Live with your headphones, and that means it's something with your track setup. In order to figure out what that is and to solve that, then check out my video where I share 10 reasons why you may not be hearing audio in Ableton Live, and we'll run through those and I guarantee you we'll find a solution.